Hey team, here is an easy way for us to collaborate and give some feedback to our students. So when you log into your Office account, there's a button here called Forms. When you click on it, it should take you to a screen like this. When you go to Group Forms, here in the middle, nothing might pop up for you, but if you go to Discover Forms shared by your groups, you should see MES 5th grade right here. And when you click on it, you can create a new quiz. So if I do that, and maybe I'll call it Palmer's Reading Quiz, and put the date for, Monday, we'll add a new question. You can either have multiple choice, a text answer, a rating, or a date. Probably you won't want to use that. There's a couple of other things on here, but I think we should probably just stick with text and multiple choice. So when I click on it, you might say, what was the main idea in chapter 5? Put your options, option 1, 2, and 3. Whatever, add as many options as you want to. You're going to click the check next to the one that is the correct answer. And then you can add a new question as you go, whatever you want it to be. So when you're finished with that and you go back up here to MES 5th grade, your quiz should be available for everybody to see. So if you're creating this quiz and you want me to share it with your students so they can give you feedback, all you're going to need to do is make that quiz for each person on the team. So I'm going to go to the 3 dots, I'll copy it. When I go into this one, I'll just make this one for Miss Dell. So I'll just take out Palmer and I'll put Dell's reading quiz. Go back, boom, now I've got one for both of you. So when I go and update the blog, I can just go into our shared forms account. When I click on your quiz and I click the shared button, there's a link for each individual teacher, so you'll be getting the quiz only from your students and not all of the students in 5th grade.